Hi, it's TADO VITO. We just released a new line of professional aprons, waistcoats and protective sleeves for gardeners, florists, barbers, printers, stylists and other professionals and hobbyists. And today we are visiting our local florist to help us present some of these new items.
Hello, my name's Cary Sutton. I run Sutton Flowers and Plants here in Digbeth on Bradford Street, right next to the main coach station here in Birmingham. We've been established there on this site now for about 6-7 years. We've been trading for a lot longer than that. We can trace it back through the family history for about 150 years now in Birmingham city centre. It's a great family trade. Unfortunately, I'm the last in the family line to continue it, but it gives me great pleasure and great pride to do what I do. We offer a great outdoor selection of flowers, from the hydrangeas to the fatsias, viburnum, bay trees, so some great red robin plants here, more bay trees and olives, very popular. And over that side we have more bamboo and larger olive trees. Inside there's a great selection of indoor plants, orchids, cactus, aloe vera, all popular indoor plants. And we also offer a great selection of fresh flowers. I've been involved in the business since I left school. I had a little stint at college. It wasn't my main, I didn't think I would end up in the business the way I did. Believe it or not, I wanted to go into journalism, but I found myself, it was a ready-made business for me to get involved with. And when you're younger, you like the cash, so it's something that attracted me immediately. And I just stuck with it all the way. And there's been good times and bad times. It's a tough business. It's a precarious business. You're dealing with a lot of perishable goods. So throughout the year you can have many bad weeks. It's not the kind of trade I'd recommend for anybody. To be a florist, you must have a certain amount of creativity and flair and an artistic eye for things. You're creating a piece of art. You want to be able to transcend it across that. It's beautiful, it's a work of art, and ultimately it would be most of our arrangements that it shows love, you know. But most people still give flowers as a gesture of love, romance, sympathy. So it's very important that the product that you are selling portrays that. So it's very important that you have that eye of a creativity and flair. Dressing for the job is very important, the way you portray yourself and your business. What I find about these aprons is that the quality is fantastic. They endure everything. The pocket situation is fantastic. All my tools are close at hand. The durability is second to none. Extremely smart. Of all the aprons I've ever worn over the years, this is the most comfortable, with the shoulder straps there as opposed to the neck pulling down on you. It's the best one I've ever worn, and the smartest.
Hi, my name's Jonathan. I work at Sutton Flowers. I'm the head floral designer for this company, and I deal with hatches, matches, dispatches. That's births, weddings and even funerals and everything in between. I came into the flower industry 23 years ago after always having a love for flowers and plants. Finally got my big break when I hit 16, and I've worked for this company in particular for about 9 years nearly. Dealing with flowers and plants within the industry. For me, what makes a good florist is those people who understand colour and shape and form and all those kind of lovely things that can be put together. There's a big difference between being a floral designer as opposed to just somebody who puts flowers in a vase. I think it takes a lot of love, dedication and understanding of different flowers and all the kind of things that actually make up such wonderful bouquets, especially for things like weddings or for gifts or birthdays, anything like that. For me personally, when it comes to aprons, I genuinely need an apron that can carry me through the several jobs that I have to intake throughout the day. So if I'm dealing with weddings, funerals and dealing with plants and customers, as well as day-to-day basic needs in floristry, I need to have a lot of pockets. This really is the kind of thing I need to put all my secateurs, scissors, even a stapler. I mean, you'll be surprised what we use. And and obviously I need the arm protectors. I like the arm protectors. They stop my shirts from getting dirty. Don't get me wrong, I'm wearing short sleeved, but during the winter months, I need something to protect my sleeves.
Let's take a closer look at our green cotton canvas apron. First thing to mention is that all TADO VITO items are handmade in Birmingham, England. Also for this cotton canvas apron, we choose to source our fabrics from small Birmingham businesses. So we not just make our products locally, we also choose to buy our materials locally. Now this is our most universal apron design that can be used in different fields, not just for florists or gardeners, but also for bar staff, stylists, printers and printmakers. A lot of people will find this apron useful and convenient. It is made from strong cotton canvas. It has a top pocket that will fit your phone, and also it has a small pocket for your pens. The front has 3 large pockets that will fit A5 size notebook, and also your tools and equipment. At the front we have horizontal strap which you can use to hang your gloves or hand cloth. This apron is secured with double cap rivets to give extra strength at the stress points. The most comfortable strap design will distribute your weight equally and won't restrain your neck like conventional aprons. Our aprons are available in 3 length sizes: short, 70 centimeters from top of the bib to the hem; medium, which is what I'm wearing right now, 85 centimeters from the top to the bottom; and also large, 100 centimeters from top to bottom. Our new range of aprons, waistcoats and protective sleeves available to order at tadovito.com. We also offer heat imprinting and embroidery services. Number of our products been designed or improved after receiving customers' feedback and special requests. So as usual, if you have special requests for the size or design preference, please contact us and we will help you.